Woo! What's going on, guys? This lesson is very short, very sweet, so I want you guys to stay tuned. I'm about to teach you something that's very good as far as the end aid. So stay tuned. We got an awesome lesson for you.
Something that's good for me.
Okay, guys, if you haven't done so already, I want you to go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment to the video. We're about to get started with the lesson, guys. Let's go. So, as you can hear, what I wanted to show you, I'm going to give you an example real quick. I want you guys to see this movement so you guys can understand how to play the and day. One technique you could apply instead of using the 1, 4, 5, 4. We're in the key of C. So our regular progression would be C major, F major, G major, F major. But we're going to change that, guys. We're going to just use this, which is B, D, and F. We can call that your 7. And then we're going to use this, your A minor. But in between that, we're going to do this. We're going to use a flat 6. So I'm going to show you guys an example of what I'm talking about. And you guys can use this in any end day groove. Let me show you guys right now. So we're playing with the 6, and we're playing with the 7, and we're using a flat 6 as a passing chord. So watch this, guys. Did you guys catch that? I'm gonna give you guys another example. Watch this, watch this. You guys get it. So that was very straightforward. Now let's try to understand it. So what are you hearing? Your bass is doing a regular C, F, G, F. But you're not doing any of that. You're basically kind of chopping up the notes and creating your own. So guys, look. So while on the C, you're going to be using the A minor. So your C is substituted with the harmonic minor, which is A. So while on the F, you're going to be using the passing chord, the passing note, to get to the 6, which is A. And to understand it, A is a part of F. So I'm going to explain it, and then we're going to have some more examples to show you guys how to really implement this in your kompa playing. So to substitute C, you're going to use A minor. To substitute F, you're going to use flat A right to the A. And then to substitute G, you're going to use this, B, D, and F, which is basically a part of your G7, but you're taking out the G itself. So that's the logic behind it. Now we're going to constantly kind of try different versions, different grooves, so you guys can understand and see how to really apply this to kompa. Let's go ahead and play the beat real quick. Remember, guys, B, D, F, and A, C, E. Those are the only 2 chords you're using. So watch this, guys. You even slide with the notes. So that's the beauty of this. You can do so many different combinations. You don't have to solo. You know what? Let's try to solo regular with the regular chords, which is C, F, G, F, and then we'll get into this type of kompa. So listen closely, guys. Watch this. how it just flows? You can substitute your chords. So guys, I want you guys to go ahead and stay tuned, listen to the beat. I'm gonna keep the beat playing. You guys can practice for yourselves. This is Roland Blase, signing out.